Excavator mounted flail mower. Usong flail mower is a weeding and shredding machine with a high-performance hydraulic system. This product was developed to be mounted on the tip of an excavator arm to quickly weed and crush all weeds and shrubs. The working method of the Usong weeding machine is an house rotation work method that rotates and moves the excavator within the working radius while maintaining a certain distance from the flat surface. A side shredding method that involves working on the side of the road or by driving the excavator in the direction of travel. A top-down shredding method that cuts wood by lowering the boom from top to bottom. The product features direct connection to the hydraulic motor, a lightweight, high-rigidity frame, applying a mechanical float adapter, application of hydraulic motor protection valve, blade with excellent wear resistance and cutting ability. The specifications of the flail mower are as follows. EF600 excavator weeder is used for mini excavators. EF800, EF1100, EF1100S, EF1300 excavator mowers are used for medium and small excavators. Additionally, the EF1300 excavator weeder does not have a swing link. Please refer to the following specifications to purchase and use a weeder that matches your excavator's specifications and work efficiency.